frozen banana, basil, and malunggay. Sorry. How is it? How is it?
Milk tea.
Hmm?
Milk tea.
Milk tea. It tastes like milk tea? It has malunggay, basil, what else? Cinnamon, mango, and
Milk tea.
banana.
Milk tea.
It tastes like milk tea? Oh, nakalahati na niya agad. Okay. What's yummy? What's yummy?
Painting. Doggie.
Oh, eat your dinosaur juice again. Okay, eat your egg and fish.
Oh, this okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Stay like yo-yo.
Like yo-yo. Come on, eat your twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Oh, yo-yo.
Okay, eat your yo-yo. Come on, eat your yo-yo.
We don't eat the yo-yo.
Yeah.
It's the tangken na yo-yo.
It's tangken?
Siko.
Okay, you eat something that's not tangken. Come on. What's not tangken? Oh, you ate the yo-yo. Is it tangken? No. It's good.
Yes, push the yo-yo. Push the yo-yo. Push the yo-yo. It's gone. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh, oh. No, try that. That's mine. No. Peppa Pig.
What's this? Kagatyamok. Here, oh. What's that?
Oh, my hand is Daya.
Dara, why?
Peppa Pig and Chloe.
Mm-hmm. Chloe. And?
And close to the table. War, and about the Mama. Peppa and George will inom dinosaur juice.
Oh, they will inom dinosaur juice. How about Chichi? Will he inom dinosaur juice also? Yes? Oh, come on.
Oh, and I think it's Chichi book.
Drink your dinosaur juice first.
Nawag mangan payang.
Mangan payang. Later na ang digos. Mangan payang. And eat drinking dinosaur juice also with basil from the backyard. No, don't play with this.
Finish.
Is it good?
She said that nothing the water.
Is it good?
Stay nothing the water. Stay nothing the window. Stay nothing the door. Stay math.
Is the dinosaur juice good?
She said, oh yes.
Yes. What's the color of the dinosaur juice?
Green.
Oh, it's green. Because it has malunggay, right? You went outside to go get malunggay a while ago, di ba? Di ba? Tapos you gave malunggay to mommy. And then mommy put it inside the juice, right?
Oops. Sorry, my. It's dirty. Oops, my goodness. It's burning.
It's not burning. Di ba what's burning is fire? Yeah?
It's burning it. Is it go up? The burning fire.
No, later you eat first before we go walk to the burning fire. Okay? Now finish your egg. Okay? Later. No going to the burning fire.
Look at me. I'm sitting baby.
You-
Not a cow.
Yeah. You're a baby but you're sitting down in the chair of the duckkel, right? So, what are you? Are you a baby or a duckkel?
It says ko up.
Hmm? You're also using the plate and the kutsara of the duckkel, no longer for the baby, because this is your baby pinggan, right? You're already using the plate for the duckkel.
Oh my neck. It's broken. Sorry.
What broke?
Knife.
Knife.
It's broken.
Your knife is broken. What happened to your Ima?
Uh-oh.
Hmm.
Stay good. I take the cake.
It's still good.
Cake, it's yummy.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Sick. Ôi mày. Ôi correct that. That's a guy. Yeah, me that's a guy.
Tricycle. Ano yun? Pesto. Ginawa mo ng pesto.
Pesto. Hi, pesto.
You like pesto?
Hi, pesto.
Pesto.
Hi, pesto. Kunana.
You're putting sauce in the egg?
Ayun, french fries to put up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hmm? Oh, come on. You drink your dinosaur juice and then we go take a bath now. So we ordered chicken macaroni. Thank you. Baked spaghetti and the famous carbonara pizza. What are you gonna eat? What are you gonna eat? Ah, spaghetti. Spaghetti and pizza. Oh, you're gonna eat pizza now? Yeah. I got it. What's that? What is that? What is that? Babe, are you done? You're done? Yeah? Nabsog ka?
Sleepy na.
Nabsog ka? Nabsog ka? Ah! Nag-burp ka? Patingin ang tummy mo. Can I see your tummy if it's busog? Can I see? Can you show the camera your tummy? What? Ano? Nagpunam? Chichi boo.
Ay, Maria.
How many Chichi boos are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ang dami naman. Dalawa lang eh.
Thank you, Anawati. Thank you, Anawati.
Ano ate?